Good evening, guys. Today we are making chocolate brownies, and we're making them without nuts because kids don't like nuts, eh? Okay, so we're going to start by preparing our dish.
Why do they always use the chocolate?
Because it's chocolate brownies.
Well, guys, you actually know that some people eat brownies.
Yes, it's delicious.
It's really good. I never actually ate brownies.
But you're going to try it today, eh?
Yeah, I can't wait.
Okay, so we're going to line the tray with some butter, melted butter, and then take greaseproof paper and
Melted
just
butter.
yeah, and just
Is
put
that
it
melted
inside.
butter?
Yes, and just put the greaseproof paper inside and put butter on against it. Doesn't stick. Hey.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we're going to start by warming together half a cup of melted butter.
Can I do it?
Yeah, please don't use more than
Can
me.
I do it?
Yeah, butter is so much better. It's going to give you a
Guys,
richer
it's
flavor.
kind of gross looking already. Look at this.
You think it's gross?
Not
It's
really.
just the butter. Hello, Nianai. Hello,
Yep.
Mama.
If you actually noticed the other videos, she was always in the other videos.
Yeah.
Check out those videos if you haven't seen those.
Would you put some sugar in there for my
Oh, the
Mila?
whole cup.
The whole cup. So it's a half a cup of melted butter and 1 cup of white sugar. Okay, and we're going to melt this on the stove quickly
Whoa.
on low heat so that it doesn't actually brown the butter. So it's just going to melt the sugar.
Yeah. Because ew, that looks.
It just becomes grainy because of the sugar. You see, but it's going to start melting now.
Guys, this is really disgusting.
No, it's not.
It kind of looks like orange juice mixed with egg.
Yes,
It looks really.
Okay, Mommy's going to get a sieve ready because...
It's melting already.
Is it melting already?
Look
Will
at
you
this.
stir it for Mom? Okay, so we're going to
It's
sieve
not that hot.
the dry ingredients. Just stir it around for Mommy. Sieve the dry ingredients. So it's a half a cup of sugar, a half a cup of cake flour. Mommy's just
I
going
wanted to do that.
Sorry, you can do this. Add the 1/4 cup of
Okay.
cocoa.
Mm.
There we go.
Magical.
Magic. Is everything out? You can add a pinch of salt for Mom.
Why do we always do a little bit of salt?
It's just to flavor it. Pinch. There we go. And then we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon
I'm gonna
of...
do. Can I do it?
Yes, so just like that.
What's that?
It's baking powder. There we go. So 1.25 moles
Can I
of
mix
baking
it?
powder.
Can I mix
You
it?
can mix it.
With the spoon.
Yes, you can. And then it's going to go through the...
Guys, this is gonna turn really cool. Oh, it really looks like a mountain. It looks like mountains with snow on it. It's really cool. Oh, it looks even cooler down
Now
there.
take the back side of the spoon and like no, like yes, like that. Feet like. Rub it over that the cocoa.
It's kind of like rocks that melt.
There we go.
It's kind of like sand rocks.
And are you thinking what is going to make the brownie
Guys, look how
rise?
cool this is.
There we go. It's actually the egg in there that's going to make it puff up and rise a bit. Almost similar to...
Can I mix it when the eggs?
Yes. Almost similar to when you're making souffle. It's
Guys,
like that.
this is gonna be quite messy, so you have to check out my YouTube channel. We're
Yes.
still making the floor, so yeah.
Yes. Are you excited for tasting the brownies?
Oh, right, she broke it.
Don't worry. Oh, let me just fix it before she gets hurt. Yeah, no. You just
Why
broke
did
it.
you break?
Do you want this one?
That one has hearts on it.
Spatula.
And that she likes.
Anything.
Remember in the last video, she ate the spatula.
Yes, eh? She almost ate the whole thing.
Yes.
You did.
Whoa, it's boiling and puffing.
Is it boiling up?
It's puffing up.
Okay.
Did you put the egg in?
Not yet.
No wonder the eggs are so flat. No wonder the eggshells are
so now the
Can you
butter.
please crack the eggshell so I can mix?
Sure.
With the
Now the
spoon.
butter is melted and the sugar is dispersed through the mixture. There you go, Niana. Thank you, Mama.
Guys, if your baby's chewing on that spatula, just wash it.
Exactly.
Because baby spit is not as bad as dog spit.
No, definitely not. Okay, we can add 5 ml of vanilla essence for flavor. Do you want to put it in?
Yes.
Sure. Inside the butter. Well done, Leanne. And you can hear it bubbling. So that's why you don't add it from the beginning, because then it will actually start boiling over. Over the sides.
And then
And
you
you
have
hear how hot it is. It's like fudgy. Oh, it smells nice, eh?
it smells delicious.
Divine.
No, I smell this because that's even more delicious than that.
You think so?
Yeah.
The cocoa.
Yeah.
Okay, Leanne. Now,
Can you please just put the eggs in?
I'm gonna put the egg in, and then you have to mix quick so that the egg doesn't cook in there. Okay, so we don't want scrambled
Can I
egg.
get my spoon? Can I get my spoon?
Yeah, you're gonna actually do it with a spatula.
Pink one.
A pink spatula.
No.
Not a girly color. You want another one? Do you want the green one?
Oh yeah.
Sure.
I love green. Oh yeah. That's the one that she almost liked. No.
But mommy
The
washed
black,
it.
the black
Okay.
one. It
Oh
was
no, in here. You're gonna stir.
what?
Stir it in. Quick, stir. It's gonna cook. You're gonna make scrambled egg. The same again. So it's 2 eggs, guys.
Ew, it went on my hand. Ew. Ah!
Are you coming?
Kill that egg, break
Give
it,
it a good
break
stir.
it.
Give it a good stir.
I'm gonna break
Can I
it.
help you?
I just
Oh,
mushed
yeah, no, you broke it again.
it.
There we go, lovey. Oh,
Yeah, they always break stuff. I'm not kidding,
Stop.
she always does, right Mom?
not really. She's a baby, so she's gonna break stuff. No, now you're gonna climb out there. Oh gosh, she's looking at me.
I don't want to use that green again.
Okay, so you just mix it so that it actually mixes in well. The egg whites and the yolk. See that it's dispersed very well. And now we're gonna add the sieved flour, cocoa,
Can I do it?
baking powder, and salt.
I want to put everything in.
You can. Yeah, no, you sit still. Here you go.
Goodbye, Coco.
Everything in there.
There's some that spilled.
Oh no, Leon.
Sorry.
Sorry.
That was the whole thing. Yes. Mom, can I mix it?
Yes, please just fold it in. You remember folding it. Yes, Leon. There you go.
Then
Just folding it in.
you.
Look at that stirring. Folding is this. Moving around and in. Around and in. See?
It's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Smells like chocolate.
Chocolate, eh?
Ooh, it smells delicious.
Mhm.
I know that smell.
And then your sister just
Let me
fold
just
it.
remind myself. Oh, it's chocolate cake flavor.
You know?
It's the chocolate muffin flavor.
Soleil. There you go, Niana. Please sit still now.
Please.
Don't fall out. Okay, until you've got a smooth batter like that. And that's going to go into the prepared pan and bake for,
A pan?
yeah, 30 minutes
Can
at
I do
180.
Whoa.
Sorry, Leanne, I already started before you asked.
Whoa, that is great.
You want to take a taster?
Yeah. Well, I
So
just
you-
want a spoon. Because I don't want to get my filthy hand in there.
There you go. Take it from here.
Can I take this many?
Mm-hmm. There we go. Now it's going to go into the oven
Really tight.
for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, the brownie has just come from the oven. Delicious, eh? Smell. Nice, eh?
This is going to be our topping. Remember
our
the previous
toppings.
video about the meringues.
Here we go. You know.
There's a cat in the house right now. Not really a stray cat.
It's a cat that comes to visit us, hey?
Every single night.
Okay, so we're going to make, what did Mommy say we're making with the cream and the chocolate?
Ice cream.
Ganache.
Ganache.
Okay, so we're using...
Sorry, I forgot.
We're using a half a cup of cream, 125 ml of cream.
Ew.
And we're warming it up. It's very nice. Don't you like cream?
I like cream, but not that cream.
It's like normal pouring cream. Here you go, Niana.
That's cream. I like cream, like the meringue.
Whipping cream. Oh, whipping cream. Okay, Mommy can whip some.
Yes.
But tonight we're not doing that. Okay, and then you can use the amount of chocolate that you can see to make.
Can I get a piece?
Yeah, to make the ganache to a pouring consistency. So first you warm up your cream and then you add your chocolate. I'm using 70% dark chocolate because the
dark chocolate.
Yeah, dark chocolate, the bitter one. Because this is already very sweet.
Is that bitter?
It's bitter chocolate.
Ew,
Dark chocolate.
I don't want it.
You don't want?
Is it hot?
Do you want to taste it, please?
Just a
It's very bitter. So you might think it's bad, but it's actually very nice. It's the good chocolate, you know.
Can I first smell it?
Yes, you can. So 125.
It's really soft. Is
120
this called dog chocolate?
dark chocolate?
Can cats eat it?
You know, dark chocolate is your Oma Ron's favorite chocolate. Did you know that? Okay, so now your cream is warmed up. And Sissy's not wanting to be with us anymore. There we go, Sissy. Sissy had a bath in the meantime. Okay, now we put the chocolate in the warm cream and we just stir it until it melts.
Can I do it?
Yes, you can, but please don't let this boiling cream touch you. So just stir it around like that, okay? If you don't like dark chocolate, you can also use...
Sorry. I always do so.
It's okay. You can also use milk chocolate or mint chocolate. No. Okay. Mr. Messy. Let's just clean this up. All over the show you missed. Don't worry. There we go. You see how it starts to melt and becomes dark? That's what you want.
I like a little bit skin.
Changing colors. Yeah.
Why is it brown?
Because the chocolate is starting to melt into the cream.
And then the cream starts to get all the colors.
Other color. So the chocolate, I would say safely, you'll need for 125 grams of chocolate about 125
I'm
grams
gonna
of
stir
cream.
slowly.
Okay. You'll need around about 200
Kind of like
grams
a
of chocolate.
roundabout.
Yeah. And that slab is 100 grams, so about 2 slabs.
That's really soft. Is this the one that's...
Leanne, so I think you and me must have a challenge.
Why?
We're each going to make our own little one, eh? And then we're going to make it pretty.
And the one that's prettier, the one that makes their one prettier.
Yeah, so I think, what do you think must the viewers say which one wins? They must leave comments at the bottom and say which one is winning.
You can put an L down on... You can put an L for me.
Yes.
And an M for mom.
An M for mom. Okay, so it's starting to look like
Guys, it kind of looks
melted
like...
chocolate.
No, it doesn't look like melted chocolate.
So now, mom will give you a portion that you can plate, okay?
I'm not even falling out. Whoa.
Wow.
Woo!
You can also use a smaller container if you want the brownie to be thicker. We are doing it for
me.
We are doing it with ice cream and everything, so it becomes very rich.
Yeah. Oh, I want a strawberry.
We're gonna have a strawberry with it.
Strawberry is really delicious.
So you just remove the grease-proof paper. So now we're cutting it into a square.
Like a
And the square
like a
into
bread.
what shape? What shape is that?
Triangle.
There we go. From the triangle, we put it on the plate.
Kind of like bread.
Now we're going to add the ganache. That's going to give it a nice shiny top.
That looks cool. Remember, this is mine.
So you don't want ganache on top.
I like it, but mine is gonna be more pretty than yours.
So do you want a little bit of the ganache on top?
Just as much as you.
The same as mine.
Hey, that's
Yeah.
That's still better. Sorry, Mom.
What would you like on yours, Leanne? Would you like some ice cream? Cookies and cream ice cream? Would you like some? Okay.
Hey, that's ice cream.
No, it's cookies and cream ice cream. Okay, so it's cookies and cream ice cream.
This is gonna like melt that.
Yeah, because it's still warm, eh? What else would you like on yours, Leanne?
Oh.
Some eggs. Mommy's going to use some of this, what do you call it?
I'm gonna also do some.
The
Meringues.
meringues. What else are you going to use on yours?
I'm gonna do some meringues too, and some flowers and some straw.
Okay, so you must tell me and I'll give you some. I'm going
Okay, I'm
to
gonna
put some
put
fig
the
on.
meringue over here.
Would you like some fig?
No.
No. Eggs?
This is my little decorations.
Do you want
No.
strawberry?
Yeah.
There we go. I'm also going to use some strawberry. And I'm going to use some flowers.
I'm not gonna put it over there.
Wherever you want to. You are the decorator.
I'm gonna put it right on top of it. Like in a flower.
You also want a flower? There we go.
I want like 10.
Okay, perfect.
Is that the yummiest chocolate?
There we go.
Is that the yummiest
It's
chocolate?
Toblerone with nougat filling.
Not bad. Doesn't sound bad.
You want?
Of course.
There we go.
Kind of looks like a boat.
There we go, and we're done.
Kind of looks like a boat with dinosaur eggs and a big giant fat egg.
And there's our brownie. Well done, Leon. Leave a comment below if you would like something specific, no?